What is this? Hello, this is Pang from Geekball. Recently, green onion flavored Chex cereal has been quite popular, so this morning, I decided to try it with milk. Taste is subjective. Then I discovered a strange phenomenon. Green Chex gathering to one side. The wind? The wind didn't touch it, but maybe. Is it due to the strong magnet Geekball? No way green Chex reacting to a magnet. But just in case, I experimented. Was I wrong? What is this? What's going on? Use the plate. Like a fish in water. Moving in response to magnet. Does this happen with anything? For test. No. Chopstick test. Doesn't work spoon? Don't work too. Only the magnet worked. Really? What exactly is green Chex? Does it actually have magnetic properties? Could other cereals be like this too? Gathered cereals? Brought them together. First brown rice cereal. Will it work? Oh, this one follows too. Colorful cereal. It follows well. Tiger cereal. Falls vigorously. Even if it's not green Chex, I concluded that any cereal is attracted to a magnet. To explain this mysterious phenomenon, I had to check the cereal's ingredients to see why they are attracted. But the nutrition labels look so ordinary. Nothing seemed special. However, one thing looks suspicious. Could it be because of the iron content? Could it be the iron? Is that why cereals stick to magnets like iron? There was no other plausible reason besides iron. Is there a link to iron? To find out, a simple experiment is needed. After seeing the experiment, you'll understand this fascinating phenomenon. It's simple. First, grind the cereal in a blender. Then pour hot water. Grind it finely again. Make it then. Grab a bag. Put it inside. And it's done. Wait for it to cool. Seems easy, right? Just wait. And prepare the grand magnet. Like skating. Use the magnet to sweep over the cereal mixture. See it. Inside the yellow mixture, something mysterious is gathering. What is this? Doesn't it look like iron filings? Or tadpoles? It's actually iron filings, which pull the cereal to the magnet. due to the iron in them. So, the iron we consume and that iron are essentially the same. The iron in iron supplements is that iron. Did you know? Jungtae, eating cereal.
Yes, that's right. Someone bought this green onion flavored Chex. Tastes like vegetable crackers.
But Jungtae, do you know the truth about cereal?
What truth? The truth about cereal. Did Siri just pop up?
Really?
It's not important.
No, let me tell you. It's fascinating.
I'm not curious.
This magnet.
Not curious. Put it here.
Yes! Bring the magnet close to the cereal. Look,
What now?
amazing,
I'm so amazed.
right?
Not amazed yet. Wow, the cereal is following the magnet.
Right?
Why is that? It's so amazing. Why is that?
It's because of iron in the cereal.
Yes,
But that iron is like real iron, so it sticks to magnets.
but everyone knows that the food we usually eat contains iron.
Yes,
It sounds strange to eat iron, right? We don't eat iron from maker spaces, so why can we eat this? How can we eat this then?
well, you wouldn't have eaten this. The iron we consume is actually reduced iron, a food additive that is safe to ingest, unlike regular iron, which isn't processed for consumption. This refining process makes it suitable for us to eat. Because it's pure iron, a beneficial mineral. In contrast, regular iron is mixed with metals like copper and zinc, making it unsafe to eat. I got it.
Oh, you already knew. What is it?
Oh, that's why. Are you listening? It's made as a refined food additive, so it's safe to eat.
Whoa.
Still,
That's obvious. Of course, they made it safe. I googled it.
oh really?
You know, Pang, please clean this. Quickly.
The cereal magnet experiment. I found it quite interesting and fun. How about you geeklers? One thing is for sure. At least once. Think of Geekball.